Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming and watching. So I have a video for you guys today. It's just a quick haul. I'm going to go through a bunch of products because I need to put them away. Let's get started with this haul. Now this is pretty much mostly Avon, but there is... yeah, it's pretty much an Avon haul. But I do want to talk about a few things that I have purchased that are not Avon. First, I'm going to get them out of the way. I did purchase this. This is the Elizabeth Arden Beautiful Color Eyeshadow. It comes in a packaging like this. It was only €4, so I've never tried really anything from Elizabeth Arden. The packaging on the outside is gorgeous. Look at this packaging. Absolutely insane. I don't like to buy individual eyeshadows very often. Comes with kind of a cute mirror. You know, you can do an eye at a time. So that's good enough. It comes with a tiny little baby brush that I'm not going to use, and then it comes with this gorgeous color inside, which is the color Golden Orchid, number 25. Hope it says it on the back. Golden Orchid. Yeah, okay, it does, so that's good. And the color just looks like this. It's not as pigmented as I actually was hoping it would be. It's a pretty like orchidy kind of color. Definitely purple pinkish kind of undertone in it. I'm not wowed, so glad I only paid €4 for it because I'm really just not wowed by it. Some other eyeshadows I picked up, and I'm gonna do probably a video showing you a look with these. And these are the George Eye Velvet eyeshadow, single eyeshadows, and it was 4 for £5. So I picked up some 4 gorgeous colors, and I did swatch some of them. I think I've swatched them all pretty much, and they seem pretty good, so I will do like a first impression using them because swatches are really nothing, but they just come in like little decent sized pans actually, like that. I got 4 colors. I got Sizzle, Trophy, a burgundy-ish color called Roar, and a color called Cookie, which is like a good neutral matte kind of color. So yeah, I will show you guys these way more in depth. I just don't want to take too long in this video. So I'm going to put them up on my makeup desk right now so I do not forget to do a video on them. I'll create an eye look with them. Okay, and that is everything that's not Avon. So into Avon, I picked up the Avon True Nutra Effects Miracle Glow Cleansing Oil. It's a lightweight cleansing oil. It says it has a non-greasy finish, so I cannot wait to try to remove my eye makeup with this. I'm hoping it's going to be great. I love a good oil to remove makeup. Now it's not very big, to be honest. It's only 125 milliliters, but that's okay. I got it for, I think it was £2 or £3. No, it was $3.50, I think is what I paid for it. Then I got, yeah, I'm going to talk about those first. Okay, yeah. Then I picked up these, is what I have on my lips right now. It is called Head Turner, and it's by the Mark. It's a matte liquid lipstick. It is not drying. It's going onto my teeth, so I'm not sure how much I like these. I love the color though. It doesn't dry down, so if you're like drinking and stuff, it's gonna come off. But it is really, really pretty. It does kind of have a bit of a matte look, I guess, but it's not like sucking the life out of my lips, which is another thing that I like about these. They were £7 each, but I did get a lip liner and a nail polish with them. And I ordered a second color. I tried this live on my Instagram, I think it was. This color is a big no-no so far. It's called Passionate. Just looks, I don't know why I'm showing it to my lips. It just looks like this. It's a really dark color. At first I was like, oh, it's really pigmented and everything, but it sinks into every fine line. So I'm going to try it with, I tried this one today with a lip liner and I feel like it helps. So I'm going to try it with this one and see if it just helps with it not being so, like it was terrible. The Head Turner one I didn't have super bad problems with other than it like getting on my teeth. That one was getting all over my teeth. It was sinking into all the fine, it just looked really, really, really bad. So I'm hoping I can get it to work. With those liquid lipsticks, you got a free Intense Kohl Mark True Black eyeliner. It's pretty cool. You got a smudger on the end and then your just Kohl pencil eyeliner. They're very, very sharp at the beginning, but they seem to last pretty well. So I got, you know, 2 of those. And then you got a nail polish as well. I ordered an extra nail polish because the colors were just so cute. I think this one is like called Berry something, Very Berry, I think is what it's called. And they are the Mark Gel Shines. So I got that one free with one of them. I got Berry Nutty, which is a gorgeous color. It's such a stunning color. And then I got this kind of grayish color, which is called Moody, which is stunning. I think this is the one I have on my nails now. It's coming off, so just excuse the disgusting nails. And it just looks like that. So those were the 3 nail polishes. I love those. I picked up this by Mark, and it is the Miracle Powder Foundation. They have a new color, the lightest color. The Avon used to do these, but now it's by Mark. So the Mineral Powder Foundation in the color Porcelain Doll. So I cannot wait to try this. I think it's a dewy-ish kind of powder foundation. So this is one that you kind of like buff into the skin. So cannot wait to try that out. I got 5 scented spritz for the rooms, like for the bathrooms and stuff like that. I highly recommend these. It was 5 for £5, so I had to. So I picked up 2 of the Blackberry and Vanillas. I love that one. It smells just so good. And I picked up 3 Pomegranate and Mangoes, because that's my husband's favorite, and mine I think as well. I love a lot of the scents, but those ones just kind of work in the house more. And I picked up a backup of the Moroccan Argan Oil shampoo from Avon. I get these every time they're on for $1.99, the 400 milliliter ones. I have to pick them up because I think this is like my 4th or 5th backup. Loved it so much. I did just use up one, so if you saw my empties, you would have saw an empty one of these, I'm sure. I think it was in that. So I had to buy a backup because I used one up. I think I have 4 though in storage, so I'm just gonna take a little break for now while we aren't buying it for a few months. So yeah, love this shampoo. I'm not using it at the moment, but I do really like it. And that is my very quick haul, guys. I hope it was super quick for you and it wasn't too long. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, my name's Ashley. Thank you for coming and watching. And also don't forget, if you're new, to subscribe and hit the notification button so you know when I upload. Lots of videos planned, hopefully. And then in the new year, hopefully some fun opportunities will come up that I can do, I'm hoping. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, take care. Bye.